Hey everyone, welcome back to the vlog. And also I hope everyone's being safe with the fires going on out there. There's a lot of families losing homes and stuff, so I hope you guys are all good to go. Just be with your families because it's desperate time. It's a really bad time for the Bay Area, San Jose, Wattsville, Santa Cruz, Salinas. So just want everyone to be safe and let's get this vlog going. All right, so tonight there's some meet going on and Bradley and I are gonna go. We're just gonna scope it out, see a few of the cars that are there, see what's up. And initially I was supposed to race some truck just for fun. I hit him up, he's like, hey, you wanna run it? He said he's down. He's met him at the wash and he's trying to race some stock STs. So I told him like, hey, I mean, if you want, you can race mine. I'm modified, so let me know for fun. And he looks like he got busy, so that's gonna get postponed. And should we race someone tonight just for fun? I mean, my girlfriend will kill me.
You can.
Nah,
I already have a ticket.
let's be safe, boys. All right, let's go to the meet.
Let's go.
Let's go. Gotta get that traditional cold start. Go. Got the boys all here. This is about to get shut down real quick. Fuck. We just got here, bro. Oh, we just got here.
You just got here. You just got here.
You just got here, bro.
Fuck.
He literally pulled in and some Huracan pulled up behind us and they told him to rev. So that's when everyone started just going off. And fucking this guy's trying to shoot flames too. That's a nice Huracan though. Hey Nick, where you at? I told you to come, bro. I told you to come.
Bring back the underglow.
Bring back the underglow? That's pretty wet though, not gonna lie. Post it up. Me, I always got a hot spot, chill car. Got the Huracan right there chilling. Oh, they went. Nice Tesla. Lots of nice cars, not gonna lie. Pretty dope. They never have meets here, so it's like pretty dope turnout. Alright, bro, I was about to shut this fucking Challenger up. See if you can spit some flames. That V8 wasn't shit. That's sick. Oh, we got a pretty nice G. Thing's dope. I believe he lives near me. Got a nice little MB Miata green, 240. Little bus wagon, that's pretty cool. Everyone was two-stepping right now. We got a little rowdy, but got a little calm, so that's good. Dude, we got a little Mustang, that's nice. Oh, this is the boy? Backdoor S? Sick. Got the boy right here. He messaged me on Instagram earlier, so if you see this, comment below. Say hi to you if I see you.
Dude, we got people revving. Got the homies right here. Say hi to the vlog. What's up? What's your name?
Chris, my name's Chris.
Got the boy Chris. What's your name, man?
What's up, Sam?
The other boys, Will, Bradley, my boy with the RS, Bags as well. Hot boys over there. Can't hear them. Got the boy right here. Lamborghini. Got my car right here. Wicked C63. It's a chill turnout so far. Just talking to a few guys about the car. Other than what's going on over there, it's honestly pretty chill. And we're just gonna chill here for a little longer. Then we'll call it a night or go do something else before the cops pull in. Posted up next to me, clean lineup right here. What's up, bro? Dude, where you been?
Tracy, dog.
Where's your car? I got the boy Isaac right here. Say hi to the vlog.
What's up, guys?
And this clean lineup right here. Got the boy pulled up right now. He's bagged as well. Stupid clean. You got trunk set up?
Not there.
Oh, my bad. Making me look all bad. Dude, that's clean. I need to take notes from this guy because mine be dry. I'm like, shit, I need the LED lights and shit. That's it. Got the boy Hector about to do some revving for us. Cool ass guy. Cool guy. I always love humble people like that. You do sound good. All right, bro. You have a good night. Drive safe. See you guys.
What the fuck you mean that doesn't sound?
Got the boy Enrique heading out. Just met him today, cool guy. Just moved to SJ. Dope, another friend. We might have to head out soon. Holy fuck, that was clean. I can't even hear my car, dude.
Huh?
I can't even hear mine.
I know.
Alright, so Bally and I are deciding where to go because we're hungry. So we're from SJ, so if you're from SJ, can you drop some dope food spots in the comments below and let us know? Because we're lost. We'll see them later, but for a future recommendation, right?
Past 10, 11 o'clock. That's open.
Yes, nightlife, I guess. So yeah, that's what we're trying to figure out. So we'll see where we end up, I guess.
Let you guys know.
Bradley do be getting rowdy though.
Alright guys, that's gonna be it for tonight's vlog. It was a pretty lit meet and we ended up saying hi to a couple friends and we came to Bradley's and we're gonna munch and just relax for a bit. Have a good night. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe, like, and comment on the video. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out guys, and everyone be safe from the fires. Say bye Bradley.